I grew up in a family business, an oceanfront motel called the Mackay Beach Lodge in Ormond Beach, Florida. My parents managed it. They had many employees, housekeepers, maintenance personnel, front desk staff, lifeguards, and these workers were all my family. I watched my parents care for each employee and guest with their whole heart. They gave so many employees purpose and meaning, a fresh start, if you will. They brought many people hope and peace, and this left a profound impact on my life. And that's why I do what I do. It was clear I wanted to serve others by walking hand in hand with them during some of life's most challenging personal times. I strive to treat my clients like my family and help them find the light at the end of the tunnel. It's sometimes hard to believe it's there, but with faith, hard work, and determination, we find it together.